जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
If you are feeling tired when you do sadhana, be very clear, your problem is not ultimate problem, it is immediate problem, which your mind is constantly verbalizing and making it as a cerebral layer and making it as an ultimate problem. No. When you don't have ultimate problem and cerebrally you start thinking you have ultimate problem and working on the ultimate solution, you will be tired, bored, and nothing will work. Ultimate solutions do not work for the people who do not have ultimate problems. I remember one beautiful incident. One day I was reading a sutra from this Patanjali Yoga Sutras. He was explaining about the Samyama and Kurmanadi. Kurmanadi is a energy, special energy flows in your body. If you the sutra says, if you concentrate on that, if you do samyama on that, you will have the experience of the whole cosmos. You will be able to see very clearly the whole cosmos. I asked him, how can that be? Just meditating on some nadi on your body, how can you see the whole cosmos? He just pressed it. The moment we came out of that hall to the open sky, he just pressed that Kurmanadi. And that Samyama has happened on the Kurmanadi. It was so sweet, that spot, so tasty, so ecstatic. Automatically my whole attention fell on that spot, on that Samyama, on the Kurmanadi. And he told me, like, now look up. It was maybe around 11 o'clock, daytime, morning 11 o'clock. I could see very clearly the sun and moon and all the stars, very clearly. Please understand, I am telling you as it happened. I was shocked. I said, oh God, how can this be? The moment he took his hands off, again the whole thing disappeared. I saw simply how we see now. I asked him, how can this happen? He said, it's nothing. When you put Samyama on the Kurmanadi, the eyeball movements stops. See, all of us continuously have an eyeball movement. Every thought which happens in you makes the eyeball move very little, but sure, there is a moment. That subtle shaking of eyeball stops you look beyond the blue layer. It stops you look beyond certain distance. If that eyeball movement is arrested and stable, in the Puranas, there is a mention, Devatas, gods, do not have eyeball movements. Their eyelids do not move. That is one of the symbol described for gods. See, if you have any darshan or vision, to find out the person whom you are seeing in the darshan, is he really God or some illusion? These are the 2-3 basic scales. Their feet will not be touching the ground. There will not be eyeball or eyelid movement. So he says, I just made you do samyama on the kurmanadi, the eyeball movement stops. When eyeball movement stops, you can just penetrate through the layer of light deflection or light reflection and see beyond. That's all. This one incident has made something totally different in me. All the techniques, methods Patanjali describes in the sadhana pada are straight and immediate.
Inner awakening, stunning health recoveries, 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? A disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda. For more information, please contact Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 7760980635.
Hello, my name is Brenda Tapia. I'm coming from Mexico City, and I work with children in Mexico. Basically, I'm starting spiritual education programs, and working for that. I came here to Inner Awakening. It's been almost 19 days over, and I have to say that this experience has been amazingly fulfilling. I didn't have a lot of expectations, but I think I'm reaching like the highest ever I have ever found. In fact, I came here because a friend told me about the program, but I witnessed in him a very, very big transformation. So it was very inspiring. And now every day I am feeling very, very graceful. Of course, I'm going through a very intense process, but at the end, every day I'm reaching the sky. I'm very happy to be here. In the healing sense, I think my physical body is much lighter. Like, I used to do yoga, but I'm feeling like all my spine is like very, very long now. I'm also feeling in terms of my weight is just getting like in a perfect balance. I'm getting much, much clear of what I want. And I have been waiting many lifetimes to get into this program. I'm just very grateful about it. And I just want to invite everybody that has this opportunity. Don't miss it, and don't put excuses. Because whatever investment you want to do, whatever idea you want to do that is better than this, I'm sure it's not. So it's just want to finish to say that I'm just feeling like a graceful person. I'm just feeling on the perfect moment, and never I had such a healing thing just because of the Master is here, because of the Master's presence. I have gone in about 10 years in a process of spiritual awakening, but this is the turning point, definitely.
Hi, I'm Alok Sharma. I live in West Lafayette, Indiana, and I study at Purdue University. I came back for summer vacation, and my parents asked me if I want to come to Inner Awakening, but initially I said no, and somehow by a fateful turn of events, I ended up coming here, and I have not regretted it so far. It's been a great experience. We've been doing a lot of things. Yoga, right now I'm late for yoga, so we've been doing yoga, we've been doing a lot of meditation. The food's great. The people here are wonderful. And more than anything else, it's the development of the inner space that we're all here for. And as of now, I feel I've become a lot calmer than I was before, even though I've done a lot of meditation before. Currently, every day I sleep for about 4 hours, but I'm not cranky. I'm happy, and I think that this would be a transformational program for anyone, regardless of age. Thank you.
are straight and immediate, does not require 12 years. Sometimes people come and tell me, Swamiji, you make things very simple and too straight. I tell them, I cannot help it because that is the way I learnt it. That is the way I was told. That is the way I imbibed. So I cannot help it. I am not making you instant coffee. I was given instant coffee, so I am sharing it with you. The immediate solution, straight things. The immediate solutions makes you understand your immediate problems and helps you to solve it. If I go on talking about the ultimate solution, you also start thinking all your problems are ultimate problems and land up in depression. I have seen hundreds of people taking up this ultimate solution as their life and lifestyle, go on living, after some time feeling only frustrated because that is not their problem at all. By the time they realize that is not their problem at all, their life is over and they are into bigger problems and mess. Because any Advaita book you read, it very nicely diverts your problems into this. Finally, they prove the ultimate problem is your problem. And this poor fellow, anything logically proved, immediately he starts believing. And he starts thinking that is his problem. And he is sitting. His problem is simple 2 kg brinjal and little bit of salary, raise in the salary. All I am trying to tell you is find your problem, solve your problem directly. Directly. Meera's experience is much more solid and truthful, honest for me than the so-called Advaita Vedantins' silence. But Meera's ecstasy and dance cannot be disturbed even by giving poison or even by putting in prison. Meera was put in prison. I always used to ponder, analyze. I tell you, first know your immediate problem. Let you have the immediate solution. Then you will see. When you have the ultimate problem, go for the ultimate solution. Patanjali is the ultimate master. He is for feminine consciousness. If you want immediate solution and ultimate solution, Patanjali is the solution. The sadhana, the method of understanding your immediate problem and going for the immediate solution is described so thoroughly, so beautifully in this. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.